How to delete your Cash App account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device and make sure you are signed in. You will be led to the home page of Cash App. From the same home screen where you cashed out your account, select your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. This will open your profile page. At the bottom of the list options, tap on the support link option. This opens the support page with a list of common help options. The options to close your Cash App account is not listed here, so you will need to tap something else option to continue to the next page of options. The next page is where you will find more account options. This is also where you could tap Cash Out option to transfer your Cash App balance to your bank account if you have not already. Otherwise, tap on the account settings option to move on to the account settings page. To start this process, tap on the Close Account option and further tap on the Close My Cash App account option. This will take you to the page with more information about what it means when you close your Cash App account. Read all of this carefully to ensure that you really want to close your account. If you are sure, tap on the Confirm Closing Account link at the bottom. Once you have confirmed your account closure, your Cash App account will be deleted. After this, your cash tag will no longer exist. If anyone attempts to send you money at this point, they will receive an error. So, this is how you can delete your Cash App account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.